this. All kinds of junk.
Hey everyone, Rob Farrow ATV here, doing some plowing. I had bought these little plastic wands here. Actually, you can't see the edge of the plow otherwise. But when I go down my trail or whatnot, or get too close to something, this is what happens. They snap off. So even the top came off that one. But I'll show you a real quick way. If this is, you got a little plastic tube, goes over a bolt. I'll show you a real quick way to change it out if you don't already know. So I'll get the old one off without cutting yourself. We're just gonna cut this. So easier to do with two hands, but I'll just cut it twice then. Cut towards yourself. Okay, there we go. Piece off. That's all it is. The little bolt on top came with it. That's the piece. All I'm going to do is heat it up with a heat gun. If it doesn't run away on me. Step on it. Just get it nice and soft. Not like you're gonna break it off again anyways. Every ride. And then you just push it down to the bottom. And if you don't have a heat gun, I'm sure just heat it up with a lighter. Just don't start it on fire. Just heat it up nicely and stick it on there. There you are. Now I got one that's 60 inches and the one that's about 20 inches, but I'll break them both off anyways. So hope that's helpful. Just a short little video. Thanks for watching.